Today we're taking a look at the Westgate's newly remodeled hotel rooms here in Las Vegas. This is, according to the front desk, just about 2 months old. It's a very big 2-queen room. I'll tell you why that was a problem in 1 minute. With a huge sitting area. Big 55 inch TV, just guessing off the bat, and a lot of room in this here. It is a pass-through. There are quite a few of these in this hotel where you can get 2 rooms combined in it. The desk is over by the window, facing the window, not the TV, something that I think for many people is not an issue. If you're going to be doing a lot of work here and you want to watch the TV as you work, that could be an issue. And a very nice bathroom. But let's kind of dive in and do a full look at it real quick. You see tons of storage, a little fridge in here. This one, which is really nice, is empty. You go to some like Mandalay Bay, you got a fridge, but it's a mini bar. If you even bump it, you get charged for using it. So it's very nice to see that they have that as an option there. Sorry it's dark here. There's really not a lot of light in this room. There is a safe, as you can see here. It is very small, but it still looks plenty big for a standard size laptop, some tablets, maybe, you know, some headphones you want to keep safe. So that's pretty nice. And then more storage, 3 drawers here for you to put plenty of storage in. Let's head over to the desk. Pretty standard desk. Does have a little drawer pull out in the bottom here. An older chair when they were remodeling this. Would have been nice if they cleaned or got a newer one. This one is definitely a little worn, but it looks clean. Doesn't look dirty at all. Room service. They do have all-day room service. Well, it says all-day menu, and this is 11 a.m. to close. Well, whenever it closes, so I apologize. But let me give you a quick look at what the menu is so you can see what you think about this. Pricing seems to be very consistent with other Vegas hotels I've stayed at. And honestly, not the worst pricing in the world for that. I do have a very nice view of the golf course, as you can see here. So the view is not bad. You got part of downtown Vegas over there. And then you got more of the residential area over here. So I'm facing away from the convention center. Let's check out the 2 beds real quick. A couple things, a lot of electrical ports in here. They do have the cover here. New movies starting at $10 basically, if you're looking for a movie. 2 outlets on this side, 2 USBs on the alarm clock, 2 more USBs over here by the phone. Not the biggest end table here, but nice. They do have nice triple sheeting, which means you always know you got a clean bed because you can quickly see if it's dirty at all, which is pretty cool. And sorry, my one main complaint right now is the air conditioner is a little loud, but not crazy loud. Yeah, but it definitely is loud. They do have a nice closet, some extra bedding up there, iron, which is great, ironing board. They do have a metal luggage rack, which is great. I hear that the metal ones deter any bugs. Nice bathroom, nice lighted mirror. I'll show you the shower, which is really great. It does have some drawers in here, which is pretty nice. Something you don't see in a lot of hotel bathrooms anymore. And then a very nice shower. So you got the rain shower head there. You got a standard shower head on an arm so you can move around. A little footrest over there. Definitely a nice remodel job for the price. Very happy. A few things I did notice a problem. Number one, this room is very dark. If you can see over here, all the lights are on. There really needs to be a lamp over in that corner. There is one over there. I'm almost wondering if that one would be better served over here instead. I ordered a king size bed also room, and I checked in and they're like, oh, there's no kings in the type of room. I had a premium or something like that room. This is I believe it's called luxury. And so they upgraded me. It was like $10-15 a night to this room where they say, oh, you can get your king bed you requested. Get in the room, 2 queens. So not exactly happy about that. And I noticed underneath the bed, there is some cleaning supplies left in here. Looks like some Windex that was accidentally left in the room. So not as clean of a room as I would like. Probably gonna go change rooms here in a second because not what I'm paying for. But that is my full review. See if I think the cleaners were down the road, the hallway a little bit. I'm gonna go chase them down, get them that back. But overall, very nice. One of the things does have a nice little table here. Just to be careful though, these are not free. $4 a bottle. for Natural Crystal. Never heard of that brand. Nature's Crystal, excuse me. Talking and reading doesn't always work well for me. Let's have a little plug right there. So if you wanted to plug in your camera or plug in your tablets, this is a nice little another area to do that right here. Is kind of slide that to the side, and overall, I'll be honest, for the price, pretty happy. This is definitely a lot cheaper than other places I've stayed in Vegas. Let's see what this switch does right here. Oh, it adds some lighting back here. There are also a light strip above the bed with a switch over by the bed. So let's do one test I always like to kind of do in this. And honestly, no big piles of dust there. So room surface overall seems to be good. Room is clean, other than finding that underneath the bed. It's just a little dark. It's a very big room. So 2 thumbs up.